Hi there, I'm Steve Strachan with Remax First, and welcome to Lake Bonavista, the OG, the original and still best lake community in Calgary. When Keith Construction started developing Lake Bonavista in 1967, it was the first community in Canada built around a man-made lake, and it still serves to be one of the prototypes for all man-made lake communities in Canada. Man, I wish I could get in. You know, 55 years later, Lake Bonavista still remains one of the most desirable neighborhoods in Calgary and one of my personal favorites. So what makes Lake Bonavista so great? Stick around, I'm going to show you. Well, obviously, one of the first main great things about Lake Bonavista is the lake itself. You know, Lake Bonavista serves as a hub in the community and a true meeting place for family and neighbors and friends to gather and participate in numerous activities such as fishing, boating, tobogganing, basketball, tennis. It's truly a place where kids come together, enjoy each other's company, and form lifelong friendships. Hey, just in case you couldn't read the sign behind me in the previous shot, here's a reminder of where we are. Amenities are another great plus in Bonavista. You know, the Bonavista Promenade is literally right across the street from the lake entrance. This serves as another meeting place and hub of the community where you run into your neighbors picking up groceries or dropping your kid off at music lessons, or even grabbing a pint and a beer at your favorite watering hole. Avenida Mall, South Centre, Deerfoot Meadows, all those minutes away from here, as is Fish Creek Park, which is a great place for a long bike ride and a walk with the family dog. Schools play a huge part in Lake Bonavista. There are 4 elementary schools and 2 junior highs in Bonavista alone, in both the separate and public system. This provides a unique opportunity for your kids to walk to school with their schoolmates and build lifelong lasting friendships. Access and location is another huge plus for Bonavista. You know, once thought of as being on the outskirts of town, Bonavista is now recognized as being fairly central. And with major transportation routes like Canyon Meadows Drive, Anderson Road, Deerfoot Trail, Blackfoot Trail, Bow Bottom Trail, McLeod Trail, getting in and out of Bonavista is a snap. Sports are huge in Bonavista. The residents of Lake Bonavista are active, and the community center here serves as host to hundreds of hockey and soccer games and tournaments every year. But the best thing about Lake Bonavista is this. My latest listing at 639 Lake Placid Drive. You're gonna love this place. Come on in. Oh yeah, a couple of details. This is a 2,315 square foot, 2-story split, 3 bedrooms up, 3.5 bathrooms, tastefully renovated throughout. Come on in. Well, just when you thought this property couldn't get any better, I have one more thing to share with you. Right down this path is private access to Lake Bonaventure. It's awesome. Let's check it out. I'm going fishing. Gonna catch me a trout. It's gonna be a big one, big one. Well, what did you think of 639 Lake Placid Drive? Pretty incredible property, isn't it? Well, now's your chance to take advantage of a very rare opportunity, as rarely do these types of properties come on the market. Nicely renovated, home office, home gym, and a backyard like this, pretty hard to beat. Would you like to see it up close? I'd love to show it to you. My name's Steve Strachan with Remax First. Give me a call. But right now I gotta catch some fish. Yeah. All right, I just don't understand. They're just not biting today. Maybe they're not hungry. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Come on, fishy, fishy. Come on. Heads are good fish. Come on.